Okay, good morning students. In the previous class we have discussed about elements. Now we are going to learn about compounds. What is meant by compounds? Now, compounds. Okay, a compound is a substance. A compound is a substance that can be split up into simpler substances bracket elements. A compound is a substance. What is meant by compound? Compound is a substance. Compound is a substance that can be split up into simpler substances, nothing but elements. And for example, water is a compound. Water is a compound. And the compound as it split up as it split up into elements like hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, what is meant by compound? A compound is a substance that can be split up into simpler substances identically equal to elements. Water is a compound as it split up in elements like hydrogen and oxygen. So okay, a compound is a substance that can be split up into simpler substances identically equal to elements. Water is a compound as it split up into elements and like hydrogen and oxygen. So we have to take the diagram of the water molecule. The water molecule which that means hydrogen, oxygen, actually the shape of water molecule is V shape. hydrogen, and hydrogen. This is the water molecule. It is a compound. It is a compound and split as here hydrogen, oxygen, and another oxygen. It is also hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. The compound is a compound. Is a compound. Oxygen, it is H2O. H2O. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. It is shape. It is actually V shape. Out of V shape. Water is, the shape of water is V. Okay. Not mentioned in your textbook, but it is V shape. And split as hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. The water, not the compound. Water is a compound. It is split as simpler substances or elements like hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, this is the water molecule and oxygen, hydrogen and it is split as hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Now, next one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, that means CO2. Okay, the shape of CO2 like C. Oh, this is the shape of carbon dioxide and it's split as oxygen, and carbon and oxygen. Okay, carbon is a compound. Carbon is a compound. It is split as, it is the shape of the carbon dioxide, straight line, or it is the shape of the carbon dioxide like that, and is split as oxygen, carbon, oxygen. The carbon dioxide is a compound. It is split up into the simpler substances like elements. Oxygen is an element, carbon is another element, and oxygen O, C, O. So these are the elements. Now write down. The properties of next one. The properties of compound entirely different from its elements. The properties of compound are entirely different from its elements. And okay, so take for example H2O and hydrogen, oxygen. So H2O is a compound. The properties of water are entirely different of hydrogen and oxygen. So the properties of water is a compound. The properties of water are entirely different of elements like hydrogen and oxygen. CO2 is a compound. The properties of compound are entirely different of carbon and oxygen. So the properties of compound are entirely different from its compounds. Note the point. And for example, okay, take carbon dioxide in bracket CO2. Okay, now property carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and first property is color and state. Okay, the color of carbon, black solid, the color of black solid, the color of carbon is black solid, and oxygen is colorless gas, and carbon dioxide is also colorless gas. And second point, burns burning. Supports burning. Okay. What is the property? First property, color and state. Carbon is a black solid, but carbon dioxide is a colorless gas. It is a compound. Carbon and oxygen are the elements. What is the element? Carbon, black solid. Oxygen, colorless gas. But carbon dioxide is a colorless gas. Carbon and burns in air or oxygen. Burns in air or oxygen, and burns supports burning. Yes, oxygen supports burning. We know that supports burning. Burning, and neither burns nor supports. And the property of burns or supports burning. Carbon dioxide neither burns nor supports. Neither burns nor supports. And rather extinguishes fire. Okay. Rather extinguishes fire means in some extinguishes fire we have to use carbon dioxide. It is entirely different to the carbon dioxide. Rather extinguisher gas. In a rather extinguisher gas carbon dioxide is used, but it is somehow different. And what is the property? Color and state. Carbon color is black solid. What is the oxygen? Colorless gas. There is no color. And carbon dioxide is colorless gas. And the second property, burns are supporting burn. Burns are supporting burning means burns in air, oxygen. The carbon is burns. The carbon is burns in air and oxygen. Oxygen supports. Oxygen is supports burning. And carbon dioxide neither burns nor supports burning. Okay, neither nor, both are not. It doesn't burns and nor supports burning. Okay, neither burns nor supporting burning. Okay, what is the properties? Color and state. What is the color of the carbon? Black solid. Oxygen, colorless gas. Carbon dioxide, colorless gas. And burns supports burning. Burns in air or oxygen and supports burning. Neither burns nor supports burning. This is the properties we have to distinguish. So the properties of compound like carbon dioxide are entirely different from its elements like that. Okay, next one. Take water. Take water. H2O. H2O. Same properties. Color and state. Burning or supports burning. Now, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, water. Okay. Color or state. Hydrogen, oxygen. Hydrogen is also colorless gas. Colorless gas. It is also, oxygen is also colorless gas. And water, colorless liquid. Colorless liquid. And burns and supports burning. Burns or supports burning. Okay. Hydrogen burns in air or oxygen, and oxygen supports burning. And also water neither burn nor supports burning. Okay, what are the property of so we have to distinguish the properties of compound water and the elements of hydrogen and oxygen, and the property color and state. What is the hydrogen? Colorless gas. Oxygen, it is also colorless gas, but water, colorless liquid. And burns or supports in burning. Hydrogen burns in air or oxygen, and oxygen supports burning. Water neither burns nor supports burning. Neither nor means both are not. This is the description about the compounds. The properties of compounds entirely different from the elements. These are the two best examples we have now, and water and carbon dioxide. Now let us discuss compound formula. Compound formula. And first one, water. What is the formula? H2O. Second one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, that means CO2. And third one, NO2, nitrogen dioxide NO2, and third one sulfur dioxide, that means SO2, and carbon monoxide, that means CO. It's very dangerous. Water is a compound. What is the formula compound? H2O. Carbon dioxide CO2, nitrogen dioxide NO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, carbon monoxide CO, and sixth one magnesium oxide, MgO, and water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, nitrogen dioxide NO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, carbon monoxide CO, magnesium oxide MgO. And another one, water, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, magnesium oxide MgO, and potassium oxide KOH, and sodium hydroxide NaOH. So we have some compounds. I will give the list. Okay, and seventh one magnesium sulfide MgS, and eighth one calcium sulfide CaS, and calcium oxide CaO. Okay students, magnesium sulfide MgS, calcium sulfide CaS, calcium oxide CaO. Okay, we have learned some formulas of compounds. I will put a message in group. I will give some compounds and formulas in group. Okay, we have discussed here now 9 compounds and formulas, and prepare well. This is the class of the today.